Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to tell you one more English expression and you can add this expression in your language. So the expression is a short span of time. A short span of time. You can understand it by saying that a period of time in which something happens, or you can say a period of time between two events. Okay? Instead of a short span of time, you can use a short period of time, or you could use a short amount of time. These all are convey the same message. If you use this expression during your conversation, so it seems a little advanced and it will take your language one step ahead. Have a look for some examples. He can learn things in short span of time. Whenever stocks fall sharply in a short period of time, people tend to panic. During the 1 week time span of the movie, they became friends. So these are the simplest examples I have given in this video so that you can build your understanding, and I want you to make your own sentences so that you can be familiar with this expression and you can use during your conversation. Alright? So I'm talking about your spoken practice. So I am expecting from you that you are going to use this expression during your next conversation intentionally so that you can remember and you will be able to use automatically. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'm waiting to read your comments with this expression. So make your sentence and write down in comment section immediately. Thank you.